Do you have a Japanese bike? Do you have a pink wire in that wiring loom and you're wondering what it's for? Is it connected to the CDI box? If it is and you're wondering what it is and you can't find it on your wiring diagram, watch this video. I'll let you know exactly what it's for. Now this is one of those jobs that was just bugging me. I found a pink wire connected up to the CDI box. I have the manual for it. There is no sign of a pink wire anywhere. And I was wondering what the hell is this for? I had to know. So I started tracing it back. As you can see, I was going into the loom just to see where it was going, and it was coming all the way up and all the way to the clocks. And that's where it was going. And then it came into this connector, and this connector is all one piece. You can't disconnect it. And then went into the speedo. And I thought, well, I looked at all the wiring diagram and everything else corresponded correctly except for this pink wire. It just didn't show any sign of it whatsoever. I took the speedo clocks off. I removed the cover. I tried to take the actual speedo out and the tacho, but then I looked behind. I could just about manage to move the speedo forward. And I saw the pink wire was connected to some sort of circuit board. And it didn't help me whatsoever. Anyway, eventually, after searching and searching, it was a speed limiter. What happens is it's attached to a circuit board. It's an optical speed limiter. On the ZZR 400, when it reaches 112 miles per hour, not kilometers, 112 miles per hour, which is about 150, it cuts in, and what happens is the CDI box will then cut the spark to the coils and it bogs the bike down. I think it cuts it out on 2 and 3. And that bogs it down until you come back to your right speed. And that's what the pink wire is for. So if you have a Japanese bike, you've got a pink wire, you're wondering what the hell it's for, leave it where it is. Because if you try and cut that, you'll just bog the bike down and it'll never work again. Unless you get an aftermarket CDI box, which allows for the pink wire not to be connected. In other words, it gets rid of the speed limiter. So that's what it's for, pink wire, speed limiter. You look online and people will be telling you it's for horn and all other sorts of things, but it's not. On the Japanese bikes, you won't find it in the wiring diagram because they don't want you touching it. And be honest with you, do not touch it. Hope this helps you all. Oh, and if you like the video that has helped you out, please show your appreciation and give me a thanks.